Mushaira! Fucking hello, everybody, yeah! So, I'm gonna be playing the Resident Evil 4 demo that just recently came out. Um, it is currently Sunday, March 12th. This will probably be uploaded on Monday or Tuesday, depending on how lazy I feel or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this whole demo here, and we're gonna fucking play. So I am really excited for this game. This game is coming out near the end of March, on the 24th of March. I, however, won't be able to play it on the 24th because I have to work that weekend. But the next week, like the week after that weekend ends, like the following Monday, I will be off work that entire week, and I'm going to dedicate myself to playing Resident Evil 4 that entire week. Uh, yeah. Oh, I also like also on the last week of March too is that I have a freaking Call of Duty tournament that like Lethal, Mazza, Mara Jade, Arcasol, myself, um, Gibbons Blaze, pretty much everybody I game with is gonna be in this little tournament here. So yeah, so that'll be fun as well, and I gotta make sure I put some games in the Call of Duty to practice for that tournament. It's gonna be on the 31st of March, which should be a Friday, I believe. Yeah, but anyway, without that little, like, without further ado, get into this fucking game, shall we? So, yeah, R1 is run, okay. And, freaking, why did my screen go blank? Okay, so anyway, parry with R2 off, on, turn the ability to parry with the shoot button. Yeah. Aim assist type off, don't need aim assist. Radical deceleration, auto reload on, controller vibration, adaptive triggers. Nice. Oh, I am playing some on the PS5, by the way. No, I do not want inverted controls. FOV slider. Yeah, let's do that. Motion sensor camera mode. Wait, what? The camera will move based on the controller's motion sensor function. Oh, that's just stupid. Frame rates. Yes. Ray tracing is off. Oh, I can turn it on. Interesting. Change the level of simulation for light reflection and refraction. So this game's got ray tracing. Okay, cool. It's got HDR mode, but I don't have HDR right now. I don't have an HDR monitor. Okay. Let's go ahead and get into this little demo. Fucking new game, bro. Yeah, I'm really excited for this.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella.
Never forget it.
Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice.
Yeah, that's right. You was full of sin that shit, Leon.
Punishing missions nearly killed me.
Yeah, it's crazy.
At least I kept my mind off it.
Yeah.
If I could just forget what happened that night.
All right, cool. So we got the little, same type of intro for the original Resident Evil, but a little different, a little different. It's been 6 years since Leon Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. Special Agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter, Ashley. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find there. Alright, chapter 1, let's go, boy. Alright, can I go back? Hey, how you doing, fucking policeman? See what's taking so long. Where the cops? Where the cops? Where the cops? Where they at? Where my boy is at? This game looks good already, dude. Fucking hell. Oh yeah, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited to play this game. I got Leon's jacket, his leather jacket too. Fuck yeah, dude. Oh yeah, you can run pretty good. God damn, fucking hauling ass.
How far could he have gone?
I like how the crows make the exact same sound effect from the original game. Oh my god, it's death. All kinds of shit's going on here. Get these branches out of my face. Yeah, barbed wire, let's go. Well, this just looks even more eerie than the original. The original game, you know, you just come into like a normal little village. This time around, it's like everything's all fucked up. The fence is broken and everything. Check around here real quick. Look around, yeah. Oh, there is a reason why I had the camera on. So this is going straight to YouTube. So I'm just gonna keep the camera off. This is gonna be focusing more on the gameplay than me. Yeah. Fucking. Let me in this door. Open up. Where the goods? Give them up. Where you at? What's this? Got some fucking voodoo here. Judgment is nigh, crew charm. Okay. Going down a corridor, yeah. Can I go through here? I need a key. I need key. Let me go through this door. Hey man, listen. You seen Ashley? You just over here just staring. Look at him. He's like, yeah, I'm just going and mind my business. I'm gonna go pick up my little axe real quick. This fucking American coming to my house, think he's on the place.
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Oh, Leon can speak Spanish now, huh? Yo, hey! Alright. got fucked up. Huh. So
This is not good.
so the villagers take the cops this time instead of. So you actually got to try and find the cops instead of them just getting their car wrecked by a fucking truck.
Man, that stinks.
Makes a lot more sense than it did. Officer's badge, National Police Corps, Mario Fernandez Castano, police officer. Alright, let's go. Unlock the door. That's just some bad shit in here. Oi, where you at? Where the fuck you at, bro? I know you're dead, but where you at? Damn, that jacket's good. I want that jacket. I remember they like sold this jacket like when the original Resident Evil 4 came out. I still want it.
I read you. What's your situation?
He's fucking dead.
What the hell's going on?
I'll tell you what's going on. Crazy people. They're after me signals. Oi, who wants it? Let's go, bro. You ugly. You ugly, I said. Back away. Oh! Oh, you son of a bitch! Break free! Piece of shit. Yeah, you old parasitic ass. How do I... Whoops. How do I use my knife? Aha! Bam! Bam! Wake up. I know you're still alive. I see that parasite. Little shit. Oh, I already need a herb. Oi, head on crouch. Oh, wait. Circle. Booty! Oh, word. That hurt. Alright. This way? Yeah. That pistoli looks pretty cool. Oh, they better have the damn Matilda in this game. There's Ashley's, worthless ass.
Bruce. This is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
Oh, it's Hunnigan, my baby.
It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up.
Something's happened to people here. My escorts are.
Yeah, the escorts are fucking dead. Here comes an Axeman.
Gotta go. Talk later.
How'd you know I was up here, bro? Listen, oh my god. Listen, man, I gotta action dive out this window real quick. Hang on. Yeah, I got the low ground. You can't get me. Okay, tight. I'll be walking down. Hang on. So, they're not coming to get me? So you let them go. Okay. Oh, here's a little bridge. Oh, it's windy. Damn it. After you pass a bridge in the original game, you can see villagers up here, scouting the area, waiting on Leon, so they can go alert the village and shit. You know what I mean? There goes a pro. Let me just slice open his barrel right here. Bam! Or just kick it, that works. You know it's gotta hurt his foot. Kick! Bam! I got a foot of steel. Yeah, no save. Cause this is a demo. There ain't no saving E. Reload. Already in the village. There goes a bear trap. That dog is dead. I think that's the way I gotta go. Is there anything up here, in here? In this little cabin? Okay, maybe this isn't the village. Okay, I thought it was. Bullets! I'll take them. I like bullets. Bullets are very helpful. Oh look, there goes the truck. Ooh, bear trap. I hear noises. Hey? Hey? Where you at? Who wants it? Oops. Fucking ugly ass. Bam! You dead? You ain't dead. You dead? You dead now? What the hell you doing? Oh, you're spazzing? We ain't having that shit. Yeah, I got some currency. That works. Where's the damn mines and shit at? Oh, it's a bear trap! Oh, you son of a bitch! You little asshole game! Wait. My health didn't go down. Oh, it didn't go down. Hey, I see you. I see you still in there. Oh, shit. Come on out. I can't get your head because it's fucking blocked. Hey, you little ugly ass. I knew you was in there. Ha! Ooh, flash grenade. I'll take it. Red Hoy! Yeah, Adam crafting. I know how to play Resident Evil game. Yeah. Gunpowder. Crafting material can be used to create a variety of ammo. I'm glad they brought back the gunpowder mechanic, because I actually do like that. I indeed like that mechanic. Oh, here comes the village. Here we go. No loading screen, thank God. Yeah. No more loading screen, bro. Let me get in a position and just like, you know, just scope out. Oh, it still got it, yeah! It's got the binoculars. Let me just scope out the area real quick. That dude's on fire. Okay, now he's on fire. Yeah, he's getting burnt. Oh. Praise the moldy STD. Praise the moldy STD. Oh, he's fucking Ganados. Alright. It's go time. Let me go ahead and reload my one bullet. Alright, who wants it? Alright, bitch. You get in first.
Here we go.
Bam! And kick! You ain't getting me. crotchy. Oh, they don't react very good, don't they? Oh, run away. I'm out of here. Fuck out. We'll go and activate the chainsaw sequence. Fuck it. Who are these guys? Oh, great. Chainsaw. Yeah. Alright, you. Oh. Shit. Ain't wasting no time. He is wasting no fucking time to get at me. Get that shotgun. Get that grenade. Oh, what are you doing up here, man? Oh, you pushed me. Oh, shit. Whoa. Move away, bitch. I'm out of here. Alright. Let's see if I can cheese it up again. Alright, hang on a minute. Let me just, just fucking, heal. Alright, go ahead and reload the gun. Come on! Come on, bitch! What you got? I'm gonna cheese you up. If I can. Reload! Yeah. Reload the gun, Leon! Fast! Bam! Bitch! The season is there! Oh shit. That's what I was waiting on. You get that grenade, bitch. Oh, you threw a fucking axe behind me. Oh shit. I'm out of here. You can't get me. Whoa. Jump through here. Oh, what? Keep my ass, huh? Oh yeah, I'm running away, a little bitch. Reload the gun. Don't you throw that shit at me. Woo! I know I'm gonna be trapped in here. I got no choice. Oh! Where'd you come from? Let me just, yeah. Just dip out of here. What? What? Oh, these guys are fast. Oh, shit. Oh, you fucking asshole. Get the hell off me. Wait, what? I didn't even shoot that. How'd it fall? Well, I tried to cheese it up. It's looking like you can't really cheese it this time. There's people behind me! Hey! Hey! What the hell? Hell no! Where'd you keep on coming? How'd you get behind me? I got a chicken egg. Yeah, let me take that real quick. Oh, bear trap! Oh, you assholes! Whoa! Alright. This is getting a little bit more hectic than I remember. Fuck out of here. Run! Fucking asshole. Run, bitch. Get out of the way, bitch. Get out of my face. Yoink. Yoink. Hand grenade. Fuck yeah. Bang! Get against that wall. Oh shit. Fuck out of here. Get out of it! Wait! Oh, okay. The bell. Okay, good. Oh, it's no longer a cutscene. Can I reload?
La campana. Alguien le despierta.
Él los invoca.
Here, just drop that X. Are we gonna get the line, bro?
Tenemos
We're gonna get the line?
que servir.
Where's everyone going? Bingo. So I guess it's time to go to church. It's our Sunday communal. They will continue this battle after church, okay, man? Just hang tight. Alright? Just hang tight. Oh, dude, I forgot about the fucking tower. On the left there. I should have went up there.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Yeah! Yeah, they got the line back! Fuck yeah, dude! Where's everyone go? Bingo! That's all I wanted! That's all I wanted for this game! Yeah! I'm happy! 15 minutes, huh? Money acquired. 5,000 PTAS, yeah. So, yeah. Thank you for playing. I did not get the. I fucking ran away like a little bitch on the chainsaw. that was a little more intense than it was before. I mean, the original game is pretty intense, but this one was on a whole other level, to be honest with you. My exploits wouldn't work this time. And I couldn't find any shotgun ammo. Is there a trailer? Oh, no, there's not. Well, that'd be the end of the demo there, boys and girls. I hope you guys had a fun time with me, and yeah, I am very much looking forward to this game. I will see you guys next time, and bye-bye. Take care.